What if I told you that you can get more orders without spending on any ads? Sounds impossible, but that's exactly what thousands of businesses are doing. Instead of paying every time they want to reach customers, they are sending WhatsApp messages directly to their customers. And the best part, you can send messages to hundreds, thousands, or even 10,000 contacts in just few clicks. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to do this using Pabbly Chatflow. Every business wants more ads, and yes, platforms like Facebook, Google Ads, LinkedIn, and much more can definitely help you reach new customers. But here's something many businesses overlook. What about the customers who have already interacted with your business? Maybe they have purchased before, submitted an inquiry, or saved your WhatsApp number. So instead of spending your entire marketing budget trying to reach new people, why not also reconnect with the audience you already have? And in this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple setup that lets you reach hundreds or even thousands of customers directly on WhatsApp. Now, here I have already created a simple WhatsApp broadcast for bakery businesses. I am using a bakery just as an example because bakery owners regularly announce fresh items, special offers, and directly discounts to their customers. As you can see, I have added a banner image, today's special offer, a list of fresh bakery items, and a website link where customers can place their orders directly. This is just a sample to help you understand how the broadcast feature works. You can create a similar broadcast for any business, whether it's restaurant, clothing store, salon, gyms, or any other business. Now let's see how you can send this attractive broadcast message to your customers. Alright, so this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. Once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Once you reach there, on the left hand side you will see the multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow where you have to come in this broadcast feature, and this page is going to be appear in front of you. See, using broadcast feature you can send WhatsApp messages to predefined list of contacts. It is perfect for announcement, promotions, or updates. So instead of running ads, you can directly reach to your customers on WhatsApp. For creating a new broadcast setup, you have to click on this plus add broadcast button. After that, select the broadcast type from here that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast name. I enter the broadcast name as today's offer. After that, here you need to select the contact list to which you want to send the broadcast message. I select as lead list. So now I think you might be wondering how you can create a contact list and how you can add your own contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts button. You can also add contact one by one manually as well as add in bulk. I recommend you to add contacts in bulk because it reduces the manual work. Here you have to upload the CSV file contains your contacts. Now what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that contains the data in the simplest format. I'll show you how it will look like. See, this is the file where I have entered my customer's first name, last name, and phone number. For creating a CSV file, you can use Google Sheets or Excel. I have added this inside Google Sheet. After adding all of the contacts, you have to download it in a CSV format. Only CSV files are allowed with 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts, means you can add up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. So this is how interesting it is. If you'd like this tool and you also want to create a broadcast campaign for your own business, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get a heavy discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Here for uploading a contacts, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file and upload the contacts from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I'm selecting this from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, you just have to click on this plus add contacts button, and this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. For creating a contact list, you have to click on this option. I have already created some list before, and this is the leads list that I have selected here. Moving forward is the refined audience. It is an optional. See, if you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast message, then you can select that list from here. Now, after selecting the contact list, below that you will see the refined audience section. This is completely optional. See, if you don't want to send the broadcast message to a particular contact list, then you can select that list here, and those contacts won't receive your broadcast. Similarly, if you want to exclude only few specific customers instead of entire list, then you can select that contact from here. After that, you can enable this toggle to skip those contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive a broadcast message again. Moving forward, you need to select the message type. Here you will see two message types. The one is pre-approved template message and regular message. You can also send a regular message, but let me explain you one thing. Regular message can only be sent if the customer already has an active 24 hours WhatsApp conversation window. This means the customers may have recently messaged your business within the last 24 hours. If the 24-hour window has expired, you won't be able to send a regular message. On the other hand, pre-approved templates message are meta-approved message templates. These can be used to start a new conversation or send messages even if the 24-hour window is not active. However, before using them, the template must be approved by WhatsApp. Now, which one should you choose? See, it completely depends on your use case. If you are replying to customers who already have an active 24-hour conversation window, then regular messages work perfectly. But if you want to send promotional messages, reminders, updates, or start conversations with customers whose 24-hour window has already expired, then you should use pre-approved templates. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting pre-approved templates because that's the message type required for this particular broadcast. For selecting a template, you have to click on this option. I want to select this today's offer template. I have already created this template before. Now with this template message, I want to add one image. So for that, I'm clicking on this option. For uploading a new image, you have to click on this option and upload it from your gallery. I have already uploaded one, so I'm selecting this from here and clicking on this insert button. After that, I am clicking on this done button. So this is the final look of the template that is going to be sent to all of my customers. For creating this type of attractive templates, you have to go in this templates feature. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. Moving forward, I'm going to test this broadcast. So for that, I'm entering the username as test user and my number in this field just only for the testing purpose. Next, I'm clicking on the send test message button. See, it says that test broadcast sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received the same template that I have selected here. This means that till now our broadcast setup is working perfectly. Moving forward, you have to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send this templates to all of your contacts immediately, then you can select this option and click on this plus add broadcast button. But if you want to schedule this message for later, then you can select this option. Let's say I want to schedule this broadcast on 29 of June at 10 a.m. See, on 29/9/2026 at 10 a.m. this template is going to be sent to all the contacts that are present inside this list. After that, I am clicking on this plus add broadcast button. And that's it. This is how you can use the Pabbly Chatflow broadcast feature to reach your existing customers and generate more orders without depending only on paid ads. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding the setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, you can create multiple types of broadcast WhatsApp campaign using Pabbly Chatflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.